Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something pretty cool. I've got this pretty cool liner lock Russian custom AG knives, Andrey Grigoriev. This is a prototype, and we're gonna do a quick review on this little fella over here. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the stuff that I'm bringing to you. So let's check this size of this bad boy over here. Overall length is gonna be 8.3 inches, which is gonna be pretty much like 21.2 centimeters, with a cutting edge of 3.7 inches, equivalent to, I would say, 9.3 centimeters, and the handle is going to be measuring 4.75 inches, or that is roughly 12 centimeters. And this is a titanium liner lock. It has some of the cleanest lines that I've seen. Look at that. I mean, beautiful. It's beautifully made. It's a custom Russian knife made by Andrey Grigoriev. It's a nice liner lock. You can see the liner is like it's like an inset right over here. Slabs of titanium, not skeletonized. You have a titanium backspacer with a hidden option for your lanyard hole. Even the pivot, you see, it's just like clean, no screws showing on the show side, just couple screws, which are T8 right over here on the lock side, which are going to be screwing directly into the show side. Hidden hardware for the pocket clip, which is 3D milled, and it's looking pretty good. And you've got, of course, like your Torx needed there. And then you've got a very inconspicuous, unobtrusive flipper tab, which is a little bit on the slippery side, with this pretty cool Sanmai blade. You can see the core, you can see the jacket, and you can see this very cool looking blade. It's just super clean, nice fuller. There's no jimping. It's pretty cool, guys. It's smooth. Like, this guy is ridiculously smooth. The action is just fantastic and feels also really cool in the hand. Let's just quickly check the weight on this guy, because it's not like really light, because there's no skeletonization. It's a solid chunk of titanium. This guy's gonna weigh in at yeah, look at that, 4.74 ounces. So not a super lightweight, but definitely a very solid option for sure. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.